everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is a channel and life update video that we wanted to put out so you know what will be coming in next year. And first, as a recap of this year, at least later parts, we did have some deaths. Rob's uncle and my dad's best friend. I just went to my dad's best friend's memorial this past Monday, December 4th. And it was very cold outside, but it was okay. So they're together again now, probably playing music and everything up in heaven, so that's good. And while I was at my stepmom's apartment yesterday, before I left, we were sitting there watching TV for a little bit, and all of a sudden we hear a knock on the door. She goes to look, and she goes outside, she walks all around, she sees one of her neighbors and asks them if they knocked on the door. They said they didn't. There was nobody there to knock on the door. It was so weird. Anyway, I just thought that was a weird little story there. So yeah, those happened. And so now we are heading into Christmas time. So at some point soon, hopefully, I will be sharing a taste test video. I have a few Christmas themed treats, and one is not technically a Christmas tree, but it is limited edition. That will be coming soon, as well as 2 Christmas DIYs I'm going to share in the same video because they're quick. There's an ornament and a sign I'm going to be doing, and they should be fairly quick to do. And then I will have my Christmas decoration video where I show you all my Christmas decorations in my house and outside. We do have some new lights this year outside, so that would be cool. I hope you're getting ready for Christmas. I hope you finished your Christmas shopping. If not, I hope you finish soon. I finished mine already. I have my tree up and everything, and there's now presents underneath there, so that's good. And yeah, so that's the rest of this year. Now coming up, we are going to be 99% a homemaking channel. At least we're going to try to be. There will be some museums and such here and there. There will still be DIYs and arts and crafts. There will be a cleaning video every Sunday and a cooking video once a week. And we will still be doing grocery hauls when we can. And we will still be having our grocery haul collab. It will be the last Friday of every month now. So feel free to join. If you want to join, just let us know. And we'll get you added to the chat. It is on Instagram. So if you want to let us know your Instagram handle, we can add you to the chat over there. If not, just let us know down below, and you can still be a part of the collab. So, and there are a few other collabs that will be happening as well coming up next year. We have coming up next week, I think, December, I don't really remember. It's either the 14th or 15th, something like that. Which, depending on when this video is out, might already be past. But we will be having a holiday cooking collab. Your favorite holiday movie. So that's coming up. And then next year, we will be having a couple more other collabs. There's a soup collab that we'll be a part of, and a Valentine's collab that we're a part of, and one where we are going to show all of our cleaning supplies and products. So that's 3 I know right off the top of my head. So yeah, we'll still be doing collabs. We'll still have our own collabs. And it'll be 99% mostly homemaking. But like I said, there will still be museums and stuff like that here and there included. And yeah. So that's what will be coming up. That's what the channel will mostly be like. And I hope you will stick around, and can't wait for you to see everything that will be coming, all of our collabs, all of our videos, and yeah. So I hope that, well, we hope that you will have an amazing Christmas and a great New Year. And like I said, I do hope that most, if not all, your shopping is done. I know that can be very stressful. And all your decorations are up. And yeah. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to click that little bell icon so you know when there's videos coming out. And as always, all of our social media will be linked in the description box below. And again, if you want to join our grocery haul collab, just let us know. We also have chats on our Instagram for the other collabs we're a part of. So if we can add you to those and you wish to be a part of those, let us know as well. So, yeah. We hope you decide to join us. And Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year, and thank you for watching.